Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Whirlpool washer. My customer's complaint was that the drain pump keeps running and running and running, never stops. They even unplugged it, replugged it back in. The drain pump was still running. I got here, I disconnect my pressure switch. The drain pump stopped running. When I reconnect the power back to the pressure switch, the drain pump was still running. So I found out that the main control board was damaged on it, because when the drain pump runs for a long time, it damages the main relay board that's located over there on the top right corner, and that took care of the problem. I don't know why the drain pump was running for so long. Maybe loss of soap used inside this dishwasher, inside this washing machine, or power surge or anything, but it's fixed now.